Hello divas, it's your girl Grace here, aka Facequizite, and welcome to another episode of Styling with Grace. Now on today's topic we're going to be looking at something very important that affects all of us, and that is how to dress with class, confidence, and the kind of style that turns heads without you even trying. We all know that wearing the right outfit can make you feel unstoppable, right? However, let's be real divas, sometimes we don't even know where to start. Am I lying? Am I lying or am I lying? Whether you're heading to a big meeting, a big board meeting, a night out, or you just want to elevate your daily look, nailing that blend of perfect, classy and confident can be a total game changer. But here it is divas, you don't really need a closet full of designer clothes to be classy. It's all about how you put those clothes together and how you carry yourself when you wear those clothes. That is what makes the difference. So divas, in today's look I'm going to show you how to create that polished, effortless, chic look that screams confidence. So whether you're into effortless, unique, chic outfits, or you just want to create your own personal look, girl, I got you. So divas, from wearing those beautiful sharp blazers, those nice tailored trousers, a lovely fitted dress, or a little black dress, by the end of this video you will know how to put a nice outfit together that commands respect and confidence wherever you go. So from powerful blazers to a sleek fitted dress to the perfect accessories, by the end of this video you will know how to dress in a way that makes you feel sharp, feel confident and impressed in any situation divas. So divas, if you're ready to level up your style game and leave a good impression anywhere you go, I got you, and let's go. So divas, I am going to be covering 5 areas, 5 things that you need to know that's going to help you create a perfect wardrobe that oozes class and confidence anytime you step out. All right divas, so the first thing on my list, and I've got this written down, so this time around I've put it in front of me as opposed to here, so if I look down it's because I am checking my notes divas, because I cannot afford to miss anything that I have put together for you divas. All right my lovelies, so let's go. So the first thing on my list is building a classy wardrobe. So let's start with your foundations, the essentials of your wardrobe divas, and these are the pieces that form the backbone of every classy outfit divas. So here's the good news divas, you don't need a massive wardrobe, you just need just a few versatile staples will do the trick. So let's go over some must-haves. So when we talk about the essentials, number 1 on my list is the little black dress. You must have heard about this, and it is for good reason, because a little black dress will take you from that office look to a nice evening outfit with a simple change of accessories. So if you wear a nice little black dress, the LBD as we call it, and you wear it to the office, by the time, say you go on, it's a Friday night and you're going out for drinks afterwards, all you need to do is switch off the accessories, switch off the your shoes, the bag, your jewelry, you know, and you're good to go. So ladies, the little black dress is very important. The second thing on my list is a tailored blazer or a coat. A structured blazer adds instant sophistication to any outfit. Whether you're wearing a dress or you're wearing it on top of a pair of jeans, a sophisticated blazer has a way of pulling the look together and adding some sophistication to the overall outfit. Number 3 on my list divas is high quality basics. So think neutral colored blouses, a great pair of trousers, and of course a statement coat. These are your everyday heroes that can be mixed and matched for effortless and endless combination of outfits. So with these few key pieces, you're already halfway there divas. You're halfway there. You know, you've got enough to create a nice classy wardrobe for yourself. But remember divas, it is not what you wear, it is actually how you wear it, how you pull it together divas. All right, the next thing on my list divas is fit and tailoring. You know, the most expensive outfits won't look good on you if they don't fit properly. if they're ill-fitted, they will not look good on you. So you know, it's regardless of whether they are off the rack or tailor-made, tailoring can elevate any outfit, divas. So for example, now look at this outfit compared to this one. Look at the difference. On one side we have a baggy, unflattering clothes that don't do much for your figure, and then on the other side, boom, tailored perfection. Can you see that? See how much more confident and put together the tailored outfit looks, divas. We need to pay attention to things like the shoulders, the sleeves, and of course the length. Very, very important. Remember what I said in my last video. I think it was interview outfits. I link it up here, where I spoke about ensuring that your trousers are never jacked up. It's very important, divas. Never show up to any event or to the office or whatever, I don't care what it is, with outfits that are the wrong length. Either they're too short or too long. It can take away the class. It can take away the classiness or the classy effect. You get my point, divas. Okay, so always pay attention to certain things. The sleeves, the shoulders. For example, what I'm wearing now it's got shoulder pads, and I'll give you details of this. I'll talk about this outfit later. But you know, the shoulder pads, the sleeves. This is long sleeve, right? But I like to pull it up. That's just my look. I like to pull my outfits up. And also the length. This is a midi dress, or is it a maxi? It goes almost all the way down to my ankle, and I'm 5'8", so if you're shorter than me, it will definitely be touching your ankle. So these things are very important for us to pay attention to, because these little details can make or break an outfit. Very important, divas. And I just want to throw this one in. If you're serious about, you know, elevating your look, I would suggest that you find a good tailor in your local area somewhere that can help you, you know, with a little nip here and a tuck there when you buy an outfit. And I would like to shout out to my girl, my fellow sick fellow. You know who you are, IGIB Designs. She makes all my custom made dresses, and also if I buy something from, you know, a shop, because I've got broad shoulders and I still like to wear shoulder pads, so sometimes, you know, the length of the arm might be somehow, so I might have to go a size up and then get her to tailor it for me. Or, you know, we all know that Zara is not generous when it comes to down here, so you know, sometimes I go oversized and then the waist is too loose, and I get her to take it in for me. So you know, if you're really serious, divas, jokes apart, about elevating your style and you want your clothes to sit well and hang nicely on you, it's very, very important to find yourself a good tailor that can do this for you. All right, divas, so now that we've nailed the basics, let's move on to confidence. So number 3 on my list is dressing for confidence, the power of fabrics and color. So divas, how do you use your clothes to project effortless confidence? This is usually in the color or fabric of your outfit. The key is in the color of your outfit or the fabric. So neutral colors like black, white, gray and navy are best friends for creating a classic look. But don't shy away from the bold colors, divas. I love a bold color. Very, very, it just elevates you. It gives you this you know, it makes you stand out. All right, divas, so if you're feeling daring, you know, you're bold enough, then add a pop of color like red, emerald green or royal blue can really make you stand out in a very good way, divas. Not for the wrong thing, but for the right reason. All right, divas, so we've spoken about color, divas, but also let's talk fabrics. So quality fabrics such as wool, silk, linen, you know, they don't only feel good on the body, but they also they drape nicely on the body, you know, thereby giving you a more polished and, you know, effortless chic look, because your outfit is sitting and draping nicely on you. You know, the colors are right and you're standing out for all the right reasons, divas. All right, so divas, so we've got the clothes now, so how about the finishing touches? Accessories, they can make or break an outfit, and they're the quickest way to also elevate your look. So divas, go ahead and invest in a structured handbag. I mean, I myself, I'm more of a structured handbag kind of girl. I love my structured handbags. I just believe that it elevates the look. So go ahead and invest in a structured handbag, and a few pair of, you know, chic shoes, either heeled shoes or flats, depending on the occasion. You know, your jewelry, depending on your outfit, you know, minimalist jewelry like I don't know, a pearl necklace, a pearl earring, or a minimalist necklace, you know, can add subtle elegance without, you know, overwhelming your look. But then that also depends on, you know, the occasion. Like if you want, that's if you know, depending on the occasion, because there are occasions where, you know, I mean, I love accessories. For example, this dress I'm wearing now, it doesn't need this belt, but I added the belt just to give a bit of zhuzh to it, and, you know, cinching that waist. It's already that kind of dress, but, you know, I added the belt just to add some elevation to the outfit. Do you see what I mean? So this is what I mean about, you know, how your accessories can elevate a look. A nice structured bag, you know, nice simplified jewelry, balanced. When I say simplified, I simply mean balanced. So if you're wearing a big earring, for example, keep the necklace very dainty. If you've got a bold necklace, keep the earrings quite, you know, dainty. Don't have big earrings and then big necklace and then big ring and big bangles and everything is just clashing. No, divas, we're talking about classy, sophisticated and elegant confidence. So we don't want everything to be clashing. So always bear that in mind. Use that as a rule of thumb. Like me, I like my big earrings, so you hardly see me with a bold necklace. But I do have bold necklaces too. So when apologies, divas, my battery got exhausted and it died on me. So anyway, what was I talking about? How your accessories elevate your outfit. So like I was saying, don't let your jewelry clash. It doesn't make any kind of sense. You want to look polished, sophisticated and elegant. That's always the goal. That is always the goal, and that should always be your goal. You don't have to wear everything you have at once. There'll be other opportunities for you to wear it. So your accessories can elevate your outfit in a big way. And I'm just going to put on these glasses just to bring home and buttress my point, divas. I mean, come on now. Do I eat or do I not eat, divas? I know I do. Oh, I can be silly sometimes. I know. So divas, you know, do not underestimate the power of a good accessory, you know, like a scarf, your sunglasses, you know, a nice bag. It can really transform your outfit. So always bear that in mind and invest in a few good ones, divas. All right, my lovelies. So divas, we've talked a lot about clothes, but to be honest, divas, the real secret to dressing classy is how you carry yourself. How you carry yourself. Do you walk like this? Or do you stand tall? Knowing who you are and whose you are, divas. Confidence, divas, is the ultimate accessory, and it can never be bought. Money can never buy confidence. So divas, stand tall, walk with purpose, and hold eye contact. Because when you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. It really does. And the best part, divas, people around you will feel that energy and respect you. They'll be impressed with you without you even trying, without you uttering a word. Confidence is very attractive. I always say this. Walk with confidence, walk in your purpose, and see how your life will change, divas. So remember, divas, your outfit is just one part of the equation. But you, my lovely, you are what truly makes the look shine. It's all about you. Your confidence, the way you carry yourself, believing in who you are, that shines through, my lovely. So there you have it, my divas. Everything you need to know about dressing classy and being confident. Whether you're going to the boardroom, or you're going out for a special occasion, or you're just leveling up your daily wardrobe. Just remember that the key is in the detail. Alright, divas? So divas, now it's your turn. Go ahead and try out some of these tips. And remember, confidence isn't just about what you wear, but how you wear it, divas. So go out there and own it. So there you have it, my divas. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Definitely consider subscribing and also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos, because I post a lot of videos that have to do with you know, dressing in a particular way to elevate one's confidence, divas. It's very important to me. I like it when a lady steps out correct, so I put out a lot of those type of videos. And also because I mentor a lot of young ladies, I also sometimes would make videos about relationships every now and then. All right, my lovely. So if you enjoy this kind of content and you don't want to miss out, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hitting that notification bell to ensure you don't miss any of my future videos. So there you have it, divas. Thank you so much. Thank you for rocking with me. I really appreciate your time. I do not take it for granted. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. So until next time, divas, stay absolutely fabulous, stay wonderful, stay beautiful. Remember that Jesus loves you, and I, your girl, your sister, your friend, your auntie, your niece, I love you too. Until next time, stay absolutely fabulous. Love you loads. Bye bye. Bye bye.